everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos, and today we're going to make how to make papel picado such as this with this design, or you can try other designs like I will say in a minute. And also you can, if you are a member, it goes along with our reading here, Celebración con Papel Picado celebration, and it will create a nice banner there as well, and I'll show you an example. So it looks something like this. And of course, there are many colors that you can use for this. And you can use this for Cinco de Mayo. You can use this for Day of the Dead or any other type of celebration, Hispanic celebration that you're doing. That's a great way to do so. So once you do that and you have your paper, and I'm starting with a 12 by 12 tissue paper here, something like this. You're going to fold that in half, and I'm going to do it this way so that you can see what I'm doing there. You're going to fold in half again and then one more time. So towards the end there, what I'm going to do is actually create these little pieces right here that I have there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors, and this is a good thing to do with your little ones if you have little ones. It's just to create this little round section here, and I'm going to cut that off there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this a little bit more. I didn't hold that all the way through. There you go. And then what you're going to do is actually fold this back so that you can make this little eyelet there. Fold this back there, just gently. And then just create a little small opening right here. You're going to do this way here, like this. I'm just going to move my little scraps here, like that, and then you have that section there. See, very simple. So once you open it, it looks something like this, and I'll show you there. Now what I do for my 12 by 12, and there are many variations that you can do for this, but I find that this is a good shape to have for young learners, especially if they're trying to practice their scissor skills. So that is a good, and their fine motor skills to do that. So this is a 12 by 12. So since this is 12 by 12, I'm going to fold there about an inch to leave that area so that I can paste my string, or if you have any other type of yarn or ribbon, whatever you're using. Then you're going to fold in half there one more time. So again, you open it, fold here an inch, fold in half, and then you're going to take this corner and fold into a triangle like this. And then what I like to do, I just like to leave this out here and fold this back so that I know that I don't want to cut this section here. So once you have that, I'm going to just make some small cuts here, and I'm just using my shape of triangle. You can use any shape you like so that you can cut those very small there if you want to. And this is just any shape. Like I said, you can stencil in, but I think for young learners, it is a very simple way to make those cuts, and you have something like this. Okay, now I'm going to create this section here, and to do so, again, I don't want to cut this area here. So I'm just going to fold here, and then for young learners, they can just focus on this area right there. They don't have to make big cuts or make big designs, just small pieces right there, such as this here. Nothing fancy there. What you want to do is actually snip those off so that you can have that area. And we have finally, you can open it up and you have something like this. Very simple like that. There you go. So, and then what you can do is actually fold this so that you can have that area ready for your string, and you can paste that with some glue, Mod Podge, whatever you have on hand. I do recommend not something very with a lot of liquid, because it will go through and it will create a big mess. So possibly just glue stick, something like this, of course, is very easy to handle for young learners as well. So you're going to leave that area, and then go ahead and you're going to use string like I have in this example here. So for instance right here, so what I did, I just pasted this string onto here, and what you do is just fold this back like this, fold this back, and then you have your string there for your banner. You can create many different colors with this as well, so that you can have a big banner around the classroom or around the homeschool group. Any of that area is actually a fun thing to do. So I hope you give this a try. I think it's a very fun way to celebrate any types of Hispanic fiestas that you may have in the classroom or just any particular event. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you join me for another fun learning activity. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.